What's up, you two? Oh, this FJ Cruiser frame is so bad, sir. It's unweldable. It's unweldable. What are we welding with? What's our voltage here? What's the voltage supply?
220, right? 210?
210.
Yeah.
Right? I don't even know. It's wired for 210 or 220. I don't even fucking know. We're not electricians. 180T welder.
230.
Oh, sorry, 230 volt. We apologize. Wire speed he has maxed out at 10 and maximum heat range. Does that frame look like it's compromised and unrepairable?
Absolutely not.
Look at the heat it's taken.
I can get a little more heat in the frame too. Get a little bit.
I put a torch on it and it didn't melt through and fall apart.
Nope. No, torch to get all the paint off. So it's actually weldable. And then
So bad, Mr. Customer. It's uncompromised. It's compromised. You can't pass inspection. It's so bad. So many liars and scammers out there. So many liars and
how much
scammers.
would you bet they tried to buy it off of them? Cheap.
I'm not sure how that went. So everything, all the repair parts are fabbed out here. I don't know how I had this laid out. I think it was like this.
A guy is questioning the white trailer on the side of our building.
Your enclosed trailer.
Is it for sale?
No.
Okay.
So unrepairable. So unrepairable. I'll bring you back when Caleb has them all welded in and show you that.
I'll turn my wire speed down a little bit.
Yeah. That a 230 volt Lincoln, well, maxed out heat and wire speed, still is not burning through holes.
Turning my wire speed down a little bit because I got a little bit too much wire there.
Yeah. I still penetrate it.
Yeah, no, it's penetrating. It's just it's not getting pretty weld out of it.